Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to add policies to your Shopify store footer. Okay, first things first, you'll have to open your Shopify dashboard. Once you open it, navigate to the bottom left side. Here you have the settings, click on it, and now simply click on policies. And the good thing that they actually added a very good AI powered tool in policies section. You don't have to actually type all the things right here. You can simply click on insert template, and Shopify itself has already a very good editable template. You can actually use it. Just make sure to read all these information to make sure that it is actually liable or applicable on your business. Now, you should just remove all the things that is related to Shopify and insert your own email and your own credentials. So keep that in mind. Just read it carefully, and once you're all done and you think that it's perfect right now, simply click on publish. And you can do this through all the policies except the shipping policy. The shipping policy in this case, you will have to enter it on your own. So now I have inserted a specific template in the refund and return policy. Now we can go to privacy policy. I have it here automated. You can toggle this off and do your edits if you need, but I will simply leave it like so. You can also go to terms of services. You can insert a template. Here you have it. It's actually perfect. You can do some edits, but make sure to read all this text. And if you find something that is not applicable on your work, simply remove the section or edit it as you want. Now I will click on publish. And for the shipping policy, actually we do not have here a template for shipping policy, but instead you can use ChatGPT, DeepSeek AI, or any other AI tool, or write it on your own. So in this case, we will gonna type anything, let's say shipping, just for the demonstration, then click on public. And now for the contact information, you have to insert it on your own. Why? Because it's your own contact information, your mobile number, your email, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and so on. So if you click on insert a template, it will simply add here the the headings, not all the data itself. So you can pull them. I can simply select them like this and click the bold. You can make the font italic if you need. You can remove any email, add anything here. You can download Shopify Inbox, and this is a very useful tool. You can even download it for free. You can use it in order to create your own contact information policy. It will help you do this within a minute. So simply I'll click on publish. Okay, now I have all the things done and all the policies are saved. Now I can go back, open my store. Okay, now I'm gonna open the online store and see if I can actually see the policies or not. So I'm gonna click on customize, and here you have it on the bottom. You can now go to footer, do some adjustments to it. You can toggle this off, policy links if you need. If you want to toggle them off, here in my case, I'll toggle them on. Now I can go back to the dashboard, go to pages. You can add a separate page for it. And now when someone enter my own website, he will see the policies all on the bottom, just right here. Okay, I will hide this bar. Here you have it. Privacy policy, you have it here written, just like so. You scroll down more, you have the refund policy, terms of services, shipping policy, contact information, and so on. And that's all for today's video. Please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.